Good morning, everyone. And I want to welcome you to day 4 in our 10 days of prayer. I want to invite you this evening to the Center of Hope, located at number 85 Baines Avenue, from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. for our physical prayer sessions. And if you're not able to join us physically, well, I invite you to our Facebook and YouTube pages, Harare City Center SDA Church. Our topic for this evening is given the title, Rebuild It and He Will Come. When you look at 1 Kings chapter 18 and verse 30, the Bible says, "So all the people came near to him, and he repaired the altar of the Lord that was broken down." The rulership of Ahab and Jezebel was characterized by spiritual depravity. There was a lot of moral decadence, and people had moved away from God. Sister White, when she remarks about the spiritual condition of Israel in these times, paints the picture of a desert. And when you look at the condition of the people in those days, they were thirsty for God. A man named Elijah, whom the Bible calls Elijah the Tishbite, comes up. And after the prophets of Baal failed to invoke the power of their fish god, Elijah performs a remarkable and historical exercise. He rebuilds the altar. I want to suggest to you that this altar that Elijah rebuilds is symbolic of the drought that we have gone through in our own lives, in our personalities, in our spiritualities, even in our finances, but more so in our spirituality. The rebuilding of the altar is symbolic of the restoration of true worship. May I suggest that what brought God back into the presence of Israel, what caused God to act in the time of Elijah, is that Elijah rebuilt the altar. Rebuild your altar and God will come back. Join us this evening as we continue to unpack this profound concept. May God bless you and enjoy the rest of your day.